Hi guys, here's a quick tutorial on how my husband and I improvised a simple JChannel found at our local home improvement store in the siding aisle so that we can hang up Christmas lights quickly, easily, and straight. We live south of Chicago in northwest Indiana, and it's not unusual for us to get 40-mile-an-hour winds that can really tear things apart, move clips, tear them off, send them to the neighbor's house, or even into the next county. So I found this JChannel and just decided that we were going to run the lights through here and it would help keep them straight. You can also cut it to fit any length you want and make it easier to install 6 feet of lights in 5 minutes instead of putting clips every 2 to 4 inches depending upon what you need for your house. To do this, Greg and I used a 5/8 inch spade drill bit, and lights we bought are icicle spaced. They're from the manufacturer, they're spaced 5 inches apart. In this channel, however, we did 4 inches. If we had it to do over again, we probably would have just kept with the original spacing that the manufacturer has on the lights. But if you get lights that are spaced too far apart, you have the option, just so you know, you can clump these up as closely as you want. You're just going to have to do the math to see how much it's going to cost to cover your house. Also, I hope you stay to watch till the end. I've put in a few tips that we've learned from doing this for about 10 years. What you see us installing here is we decided to finally do lights in the garage. So we did the front and one of the sides, and that's how I'm able to do this tutorial, because the original house has been done for years now. So I hope you enjoy this tutorial and give me a like below. Here you'll see Greg has the JChannel clamped to some wood so that the JChannel is up in an upright position. You don't have to do this. You can lay the JChannel on a table and just feed it through so that it's laying on its back, and you're just working it through sideways basically. But we just thought it would be easier this way. We just kind of set it up like an assembly line. We go, 15 drops down, we're inserting them, we scoot it, we unclamp, scoot it down, and move again, kind of like an assembly line. So again, you don't have to do it this way. This was just the way we thought it would be easy to videotape and make it for you to see. Right there, you're going to see a gap in between the channels. That one drop right there is for the corner of the house. The other thing you're going to want to do is when you're doing this, you're going to want to mark where your downspouts are so that you can have your lights go around. You can just make a cut, scoot the lights down, put 1 drop or 2 drops of lights or 2 C6s or whatever you have, skip putting those in the channel. That way the lights can go wrap around your downspout, and then you can just butt the channel up after that. And here's when everything's turned on. Looks good, don't it? I just love a house with Christmas lights. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial, and give me a like below. If you have any questions, go ahead and submit them. I'm also going to put the link of the original video when we very first did this. It was with an older camera and very old software that I was using for free, so be kind.